provides knowledge, and knowledge makes us great. The academic year 2024-25 commenced on a wonderful note when the results of our grade 10 CBSE board examination were announced. We are happy to share with you all the details of the commendable performances of our students. This time, the grade 10 CBSE result was declared on 12th May 2024. And we are happy to announce that Pallavi International School, Gandipet attained 100% result. A total of 93 students appeared, out of which 20 students got more than 90% marks as aggregate, with distinction in various subjects and centers. Master Sahaj Mukha was the topper with 98%. Master Aradhya and Ms. Purti Kuppa got 97%. The third position was shared by Ms. Pravalika, Master Rohit and Ms. Sakina Fatima, who scored 96.2% respectively. We are happy to announce that we got 23 A grades and the rest of the students attained more than 60%. Competing with vigor in Dhaka, Bangladesh and Colombo, Sri Lanka, earning accolades and global recognition. Akhil of grade 12 participated in the cycle polo event, demonstrated extraordinary skills representing the school in the state of Maharashtra. Archery prowess Shrestha Reddy of grade 12 and Harini Reddy of grade 10 marked a significant presence in Gujarat in the National Archery Championship, solidifying our institution's place among the archery elite. Roll ball heroes, Ekshit grade 7, Varsha grade 8, Kudesya grade 7, Kaundinya grade 8, Sahasra grade 6 represented at the national level in Uttarakhand and Pune, showcasing teamwork and athleticism.
Sports, you have done everything that a child requires to get the holistic education that we have promised to all our parents. I think it is very important. I always keep talking about everything apart from what you learn in the classroom, because it is very important right now. After COVID, even parents, we are very thankful that you also realize the importance one should give to sports or extracurricular activities or the mental wellness, the emotional wellness of a student. I was speaking to Geeta Bhaskar ma'am. Unfortunately, ma'am has had to leave, but it would be great to hear her. She's actually teaching art and craft in a very big way in all the schools. So she was telling me that if in a classroom you will have different kinds of rules to a question. If there is a question, there is a fixed answer. Same way in sports, if you have a starting line, there is a finish line somewhere. But for art or craft, there is no defined path. Whatever a child wants to do, he is free to do whatever he wants. And the creativity what the child has really comes out. And I think we also truly believe in that. And it's very happy. I didn't go inside the basketball court to see the exhibition. But looking at the kids, how excited their faces are when they're coming out of the place itself shows that what kind of a hard work that the parents, our teachers and everyone have put forward. So I would like to really congratulate all of you for putting forward such an amazing show. The other thing what I would like to speak is, when we talk about international schools and Cambridge and international form of education, it is very impressive that our teachers, and it is also very important that we remember our roots. If you see the largest airport which is coming up in the country, which Narendra Modi is building, it is going to be a form of the Indian culture. If you see the Varanasi airport which is coming, it is in the form of the Shiva, the thing that he holds. I don't know what it is called, the Damarukam or something like that. We moving forward towards international education, towards Western society, we have completely forgot our true values, our true, be it the science, the research that Indians used to have, or be it the education, be it the whatever, everything. If you talk about everything, the kind of weapons we used to have, the kind of medical technology we used to have, all of that, we have truly forgotten it. But it is very nice to see culture, art and everything come back to its shape. That is how the country is moving forward. And it is very important that you parents also believe in us when we are trying to do something different every year. So I'm really, when it comes to Gandipet, I see parents always appreciating whatever the school is doing, something new. Usually we don't see that. So I'm really happy when I see such a large audience for a event which is a long weekend. First of all, you can just book your flight tickets and go for a trip with your friends, family. You can just take your child, but you have realized the importance that how what the child feels. I see a lot of grandparents also coming forward. So it's very happy. We didn't have that. You are having that. So all the kids are also truly lucky. The other thing is, I would really like to appreciate the guests who have come up here. Abhilasha, who is a young badminton player, and also the sir who has come, and Geeta Bhaskar ma'am also, truly inspirational. She's a parent that we all should want to become, because her son, she was telling me that at the age of 30 years he started painting, and that really helped him become a better person today. So I think. It is very impressive. I would like to thank them to accept our invitation to come here.
And came a step forward and took part in sports and other events. According to me, sports is not always about winning or losing. It's winning or learning, improving and overcoming your mistakes. Having trust within you and self-belief is the key to success and consistent performance. There will be the time when you fly higher, but also the time where you fall harder. It is common in sports, but sometimes even the world number one may fall. But the belief and the hunger of winning, getting back on track, the attitude of never giving up makes them different from being ordinary to extraordinary. If you want to excel in sports, I advise you to put your whole sweat and blood and dedicate your life to the game you choose. Without dedication and discipline and determination, you cannot achieve what you want. Believe yourself, have self-confidence and work hard and smart for what you choose. Sports helps us in sharing and caring for people around and transforming from selfish to selfless persons. I also appreciate all the parents who took time from their busy schedule and came along with their children today to support and encourage them. In my case, I had my family, especially my mother, who understood my passion and supported me to make my career in sports along with my academics. I once again congratulate all the medal winners, participants, and the faculty of Pallami International School, Gandipet for making this event a grand success and giving a wonderful opportunity and exposure to all the young talents. Thank you.
We have already got our first and second. Quickly changing the sack and moving towards. Every nation all around us. It's 5 and 6. And we have the winner, who is slowly going towards the end point. Commendable job done. I request a round of applause from the parents for the winner of the slow cycle race. Even our Vice Principal, Miss Meenu, This time for Africa.
जिंदगी का ये घड़ाने एक सांस में चढ़ा ले हिचकियों कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को